I didn't hear anything up until now, but
Yeah. I haven't speak actually. I was just started the
okay, okay, all right,
project. Okay.
yeah,
So, yeah, yesterday, I explained you how to integrate third-party applications like Gmail, so into our project. So what we did is simple steps. Um, you know, we have created the secret ID and some kind of a passcode we generated for the our Gmail ID. And after that, what we did is we added into the project, and we called that URL. Now we are able to access that API, right? So that is what we have done. So today class is a little bit interesting, and this actually we'll use in almost all the projects. Okay. So for example, in my project, okay, so this is the when we have the items like ID, product name, brand, price, and all. So I want to get this data in the format of maybe in the Excel, or it can be in the PDF format. Okay. So how can we do that? Okay. So like almost all projects, if you take like if you take office projects, so what will happen? The employee, he will download the pay slips, right? See, when he download the pay slip, so like where how exactly it will come? It will come in the PDF format, right? So similarly, if employer want to see no employee they want to see how many stocks happened, or right. So usually uh, for to generate the reports, okay, so we have to use some kind of reporting tools. Okay. So maybe in your interviews they will ask you like what kind of reporting tool did you use in your project. Okay. So they will ask you this question. So for that, I will give you some, in today we'll learn about Jasper reports. Okay. So we'll learn about implementation of Jasper reports into the project. And also we have something called as BERT, B-I-R-T, BERT reporting tool. Okay. That is also there. Okay. That is basically not totally your choice, which one you can use. So you can tell the interviewer like, okay, you have implemented the Jasper reports into your projects. Okay. So we will learn how to do that. And okay. So the first thing what we have to do is we have to go to a site called as Jasper report. Okay. So in the Google, just search for Jasper reports. Okay. So when I click on this site, community.jasper.com, Jasper community. Okay. So this page came here. Uh, Here the exchanges. Huh? Okay. So in exchanges, I think I have that URL. I will send to you. Okay, there is so much of options, right? So I'm also getting confused which one to choose. I think I have somewhere I kept this one. Okay, so you can go to this site. Okay, so you can get community edition and enterprise edition. Go for community edition and click download now. So what will happen when exe file will get generated? Okay, so if you click next, 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 okay, so you are able to download that software. Okay, so the icon is here, see here, Jasper Soft, like this. Okay, so what we have to do is I'm just opening this. Okay, so actually this Jasper Soft Studio is there, right? So what it will do is it will give us kind of a template, like what kind of template do you want? Okay, maybe designs and all. Okay, so it will give us some designs. This loading, software is loading, because I have multiple softwares are running background na? So it is little bit taking some time. Hmm. Okay, so I will explain this tool. Okay, so how to create a project here? Okay, so first click on file. Okay, click on file, click on new. Okay, you need to choose the Jasper report option here. Okay, click it. Okay, see, when you click it, you will get a lot of templates. Okay, you can use whatever the template you want. Okay, simple, blue, table based. Okay, so your choice. So I will go for a simple blue. Okay, so it's look kind of neat. Okay, so I'm just choosing this. I'm just clicking on next. Okay, so here I will give so so the file name I have to give. Okay, so the file name I have to give. Okay, what file name can I give? I can give product report. Okay, so product report, this one. Okay, click next. Okay, guys, so this step is very important. See, when you give the oh sorry, I given product report. Okay, when I give the product report, when you click on next, okay, so you need to choose this and simple DB JDBC connection. Okay, make sure you are choosing this. Okay, okay, so now what happened is now your Jasper report is connected to the database. Okay, so now when you open it, uh, not this public. Okay, when you open this, see here tables are there. Okay, when I click this, see lot of tables are coming. Okay, address is coming, product is coming. Okay, next is document is coming, orders, like that it is coming. Okay, see, I'm choosing the product here. Okay, I'm choosing the product. Here I will give the query, select star from product. Okay, select star from product, click next. See, data sets field is there na? You need to add one by one. Okay, click this, add name, add cost, add. Okay, click next. Okay, datasets fields are there, you just don't need to do anything. Click next, click finish. See here, title, add description, everything came here. So now choose the title. Okay, the title I want is product list, like that. Okay, product list. Description you can give okay, I need to edit this. uh, Available products. Okay, products, available products. Okay, so now this is the product list. Like this I have. I'm just clicking on the source here. Okay, so here you have to do some changes. Okay, so I will explain you like what are the changes you can give. So here the first thing is, okay, I can uh, remove this. Okay, queries and all, it is not required. Property and all not required. Okay, just remove this. Now what you can do is here, okay, uh, not here, in your project. Okay, so the product is there now here. See what are the fields are there, you need to give the same fields. Okay, ID is there, brand is there, price is there. Okay, so I have to give a p name, that is a product name here. Okay, so product name here, product name I'm giving. Next is p brand I'm giving. Okay, so next price is required. Price is required, so I'm just changing here price. Okay, so here the property files are actually not required, so you can remove if you want. You can delete. Okay, delete, delete. Okay, so one is product name, product brand, price. Okay, so this is there. So next available products. Okay, so here you need to change. Okay, here I will give p name, p name, sorry, first oh, I cannot put control z here. Very strange. Yeah, control z is not working. Okay, so p name I will yeah, I will here I will put. Next is brand, I will put in the here. Next I wanted a price here. Okay, here p name brand price. Okay, guys, make sure you are giving valid width, height. You can change. Okay, the font size you can change, whether you want bold or not, like that. Okay, so all options are available. Okay, so next again if you go a little bit down, again p name I'm just copying this, and here I'm pasting it. Okay, p name, p brand, next price, I'm just copying this price. Okay, here save. Okay, so I have saved this. Okay, so now yeah, click on design. P name, brand, price is coming. Project. Okay. Did I close the project tab? I just want to copy it. Window, navigation, reset perspective, reset. Okay, so now Project Explorer is coming here. Okay, see here, this is the one. Okay, we created project report, this one, right? So now what we have to do is I'm just copying this file. Okay, just copy this. Okay, so next, see guys, where you have to paste is under the resources. Okay, I think I have some. Let me delete this. Okay, see here you need to paste. Okay, paste product report. Okay, see here the file extension is jar dot jar j jrxml. Okay, the format should be that format. Okay, so make sure you have written that. Okay, so now we have to add one dependency file in pom.xml here. Okay, we need to add one pom.xml. Okay, now what can I do is, yeah, I can go to Google. Okay, so I can search for Jasper reports. Jasper report. Okay, so Jasper report Maven dependency, this one. Click it, click this one. Okay, net, this one, net.js reports is there na, so that one. Okay, so paste here. Okay, save. Okay, make sure you added the valid file. Okay, so now I've added the Jasper reports in my file. So now simple two methods need to write, that's all. Okay, two methods need to write. So one method to get the you know to get the report. Okay, let me explain you. Okay, to get the report, first what we have to do is we have to set the path. Okay, this path is about where exactly you want to store the result. Okay, so where exactly do you want in downloads, or do you want the file should be stored? When user click on the download button, you have to tell which where it has to download. Okay, so that you have to do. Second thing is you have to specify where exactly you created the bird report in your project. If you see here under the resource I have created, right? So that you need to specify. Okay, so specify the path of JRXML. Okay, you need to specify that path. Okay, so next what you can do is like in which format you want. Okay, in which format you want, whether you want in a PDF format or XML format. Okay, format you have to specify format. Okay, so these are all the things you need to specify here. Okay, so make sure in Jasper report first is where exactly the file should download. Okay, the folder, and where you specified the configured this XML file. Next is what format you want. You want in XML, or you want in the this one, what is that, PDF format. Okay, so that you should specify. Now I open my project. Now you ask me where exactly I have to write the method. Okay, to write the method, go to the services. Okay, go down here. You need to write the methods. Okay, in the services. Okay, so now I'm writing public string export report. Okay, string format like this. Okay, so for now I will just give return like this. I will give. Okay, so now yeah, to read the data, we have one method. Na? What is that method? Here, see here, return repository find all to get the list, right? So that we want here. Okay, so that I will put it in the list format, product. Okay, list products is equal to repo dot find all, this one. Okay, so this one. Next I have to specify the path where exactly you want to store. Okay, so for that I will give string path like this. I will give string path is equal to, okay, where exactly do you want to store. Okay, so I will do one thing. So here I want, okay, here I want, okay, some file is there, I'm just deleting it. Okay, I think I will put it in some folder. Okay, now the folder is empty. So this here I wanted, okay, here I wanted. Okay, so what I will do is I will specify the path here. Okay, so I just specified it. Now once you specified the path, okay, you have to tell no, you are included this one, right? You are included the report XML file here. Okay, so for that just give file is equal to, okay, resource utils dot get file like this. Okay, get the file like this. Okay, so here you need to specify the path, something like this. You have to specify like, okay, class path what is that, product report. Okay, that one. Okay, the path, product report dot jrxml. Okay, I think I need to include this resource utils. Okay, so it is asking to, see what will happen when the file if it is not there, we need to get the exception, right? So file not uh, found error exception, right? So for that I'm giving enter. See here, that is the same thing here came. Okay, see, file not found exception, same thing. Okay, if file was not there, so obviously it has to get the file not found exception. Okay, that I would included. So here we have to call the Jasper report object. Okay, so for that, Jasper report is equal to Jasper compile manager okay, dot compile report. Okay, so you have to tell where exactly you need to the file we have to give this. Okay, file dot absolute path. Okay, I'm just telling my my Jasper report, okay, to read that file. Okay, get absolute path, like that. Okay, so I need to import, yeah, this one, Jasper report. Yeah, I think a semicolon is missing. Okay, so I'm okay. Okay, it is asking to catch the exception. So for that I will give enter. Okay, so JRE exception, like that. Okay, so what I did is I created the file, right? That file has to read by the what, Jasper report. Okay, so for that I've given please get this path and read it for that. Okay, I mean write, not read, write. Jasper report has to write the report, right, on this path, that one. Okay, next what I will do is I need to call the data source to fetch the data for me. Okay, so for that I have to give jr bean collection data source uds is equal to new jr bean collection data source. See, this is like what I'm doing is I'm establishing the connection for the database. So with the, this is the read option, right? So I can give this command here like this, not by file. So I have to give list products, because list product having read operation, right? So for that I will give here. Now let me import, change to, yeah, change it. Next, data source, not array, actually it's a collection only. Okay, jr bean collection data source. Okay, jr bean collection data source. Okay, so that, for that I've given that. Next is we want a hash map. Okay, uh, to just to send a message, hash map. I want a map string object. Okay, parameters is equal to new hash map string object. So let me import it. image map. So parameters dot put. Okay, I will give report generated report. Okay, I want to just to pass some message. Okay, so for that I just took the map and report generated report like that I've given. So now what I have to do is, I need to give, in which format do you want? Do you want in Excel format or PDF format? That I need to specify here. Okay. Now, if format, okay, before that, okay. Now, so I need to call Jasper print. Jasper print. Jasper print is equal to Jasper fill manager Jasper fill manager dot fill report. Okay, so here we have to pass three parameter. One is Jasper, okay, I think I need to pass the report here. Okay, first parameter is I need to pass this one report. Next parameter I have to pass the parameters. Okay, comma. Next is data source. Okay, so data source means this one, data ds. You need to pass three parameters. You need to pass for an object. Okay, now if format, okay, format dot equals, okay, if format equals, ignore case I have to give, equals ignore case. Okay, so I want the format should be PDF. Okay, no, the format should be in the PDF format. Next you have to give Jasper export manager dot see guys, you can change to HTML file, PDF file, okay, again XML file, stream file. Okay, so like that you have so many options. Okay, I want to change to export to PDF file, like, okay, export to PDF file. Okay, so for that I need to call my Jasper report to print in the PDF file, comma, like what is the file name do you want? Okay, the file name I want is product, okay, report pdf, like that I want. Okay, so this Jasper print, what it does, it will do is it will print the to the PDF file. Okay, the downloaded file name will be product report.pdf. Okay, now everything is done. I'm just giving path plus path, like this. Okay, so it will print the path in the console. Okay, so that is what will happen. Now this is done. Okay, the method I have done. So next what I will do is I will go to the API client here. Okay, so the REST controller here I will give @get mapping. Okay, the path I have to give. The path will be something like export slash the format like this, public string export report. Here argue @path variable string format. Okay, now return service dot, what is the method I have to call? Export to report, right? So that I am giving the format here. Okay, so as soon I give that it will ask to try catch that block. Now add throws to declaration. Okay, so now when as soon as I hit the export, okay, as soon as I hit export to that format, okay, it has to fetch me the file. Okay, this is the URL here. This is the URL here. Okay, so from here I'm getting the format. Okay, so that's all, guys. So now what I will do is I will restart the server. Okay, let me go to, let me give, okay, there is no error, I guess. So here slash, what is the URL we given here? The URL will be something, this one, right? Export slash PDF. Okay, when I hit enter, okay, I'm getting some error. Let's see what is the error. Okay, so if error is not coming, then the URL path is not right. So why it is not right? Because here I have given REST API slash, right? So that we have to add here. Slash enter. Okay, so I'm getting some error now. Serious error. Let's see what is it. Okay, so here CVC complex type text adjust is not allowed to appear in element, it seems. So what I have to do is okay, I need to remove the text adjust. So text adjust here I have given I will have to go to the source here, control F. I will give, I will search and think, okay, I will do one thing. I will just remove the attribute like this, save, control F, find. Okay, just delete. Next, Control F, find. Okay, Control F, that's all. So now what I will do is let me copy this file because I've done the changes here, right? So I will just paste and overwrite all. Okay, so now let me restart. Okay, one good thing is if you observe, it is reading the file. Okay, so that is a very good thing because the configurations are right now. Okay, the only errors are coming, but the thing is the code is right because it is searching in this file, right? So the configuration what we did is exactly right. Okay, so that is a good thing. Now let me send the request again. Okay, again I'm getting error. That's okay, errors are good. Let's see what is the error I'm getting. Class lang string cannot convert to integer. Okay, let's see where did I done it. So here, right? So I think in the top. Okay, see, product name is what? It's string, right? So string I have to give, copy, paste this like this, save. Again you need to copy because you have done the changes, right? So copy, then paste here, overwrite all. Okay, restart. So when we get the error, we are in the right track. Okay, so now I will hit enter here. Okay, still error. Let's see what is the error. Now the next error. Okay, string cannot be converted into the big decimal. Oh, okay. So here I think price. When you go to the product, okay. See here I have given the string only. Okay, that is a good thing. Do now change to Java lang dot string only. Copy, paste here like this. Again copy this to copy again, paste inside here. Okay, paste, overwrite all. Okay, restart. Let me hit enter. Okay, now the path is printing. Where exactly? C drive, users, OneDrive. The path is printing. Now when I go to desktop, see here, the file is here, some file. Hey, it is not there. Huh? Refresh. What is happening? Am I getting any error here? An illegal reflective access operation has occurred. Huh? Mm, okay, let me restart. Okay, there's an error actually, and let me check whether it's Okay, the file is not generated, right? So there is a error. Okay, so and reflective access operation has occurred. Reflective by Jasper report. Okay, so some issues is there. What I will do is we'll go to this Jasper reports. I think some version error, I guess. Okay, some version error I'm getting. I will do one thing. I will just comment it for a while. Okay, I'm just commenting it. Okay, I will delete. Okay, so I need to close the Eclipse. Let me delete. Okay, I'm just opening it. Launch. Okay, now let me uncomment. I'm just saving this. Okay, now let me run the project. Run as Spring Boot. Okay, and let me click enter. Okay, it is printing, yeah. Okay, I will do one thing. I think path is wrong, I guess. Did it? It is no, it is not generated. I think path I have not given properly, I believe. I will go to the services. I think path it is attaching. Probably this is the maybe this is the one. Path. Maybe this is the one. Okay. So because concatenation is happening, right? Mm, Let me hit enter. Hmm. Okay, I think I need to cross verify my source code here. Okay, so let me cross verify, or else mm, let me check what is wrong here. This kind of errors is very difficult because if errors are coming now, you can do some changes. Mm, okay, public string, export string, repo find all users. I think a double slash we have to give here. Maybe this is the reason. Okay, let's see. Uh, get absolute path, list product, parameter report, generated report, file manager, field report, lowercase. Okay, so everything is right. I'll click API client, get mapping, export, format, file not exception, format. Right only, yeah. Let me restart and check now. Okay, it is not generating. Okay, let's see. We'll take some Google for help. Okay, it is telling C. Hmm. Okay, let's take the Google help. The same error, right? An illegal reflective access operation has occurred. Let's see what is that error. What is this? Substitute Groovy jar to Groovy warnings. Jasper API. I think I need to cross verify this line here. Mm, Jasper print, Jasper field manager, field report. Mm, data source. Okay. Mm, do one thing. Okay, the same method only I've given. Okay, let me replace this method. If I've done any mistakes, then Give me some error now. Product report na. Okay, see, it is generating here. Okay, so when I click open, yeah, I think I'm getting the right things. See, Sansui, Sansu TV, Redmi, the same thing. Sansui, Sansu TV. See, product name, brand, price, all prices are coming. Okay, so I think somewhere some method went wrong previously. Somewhere maybe fill, maybe export to report somewhere. Na? There might be chance. Okay, so some methods because of that it failed. Okay, so the same method I have used. Okay. Okay, so like that, we can generate the reports. Okay, see product list available. So in this one, you can get a lot of templates. So you can use whatever the template you want. Okay, so a lot of customize also you can do. That is also okay. So and also while writing the query, see here when you give this Jasper report, when you choose it right, see here what you will do is click next. See here. So here you can give the commands as well. You can select star from product, right? So you can give like select star distinct product like that. If you give distinct product, what will happen? It will display the unique products, right? So like that, you can do, and you can do a lot of customization, everything you can do. Okay. So yeah, so we have generated the report. Okay. See here, I think a slash is missing, right? So because of that, it didn't print inside the folder. Okay. So it printed on the desktop. Probably this colon is missing, I guess. This one. If I give that, then it will print inside the folder. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So we have successfully implemented the Jasper reports into our project. Okay. So now I think you know what is the reporting tool. Okay. If somebody asks you in the interview, so what is the reporting tool did you used? You used it. And one more thing, what you can do is see here. I'm passing the URL, right? So what you can do is you can go to that HTML page here. um, Templates, yeah, index here. Okay, create one button here. Okay, create one button. While passing, just send slash, okay, export PDF like that. Okay, when you click that button, okay, what will happen? Automatically uh, this it will get download. Okay, that you can do. Okay, so on top here, okay, you can place one button. When you click that button, the action has to go to here. Okay, export PDF here. Okay, then automatically the file will get generated. You don't need to even pass send that. Okay, that you can do. Okay, yeah. So yeah, that's all about that. The reports. Okay, we have that lot of methods are there, and we can work on it. So yeah. Suren, do you have any doubt?
No, nothing so far. I'll
Try
try
once.
taking a look at.
You can do one thing. See,
Yeah,
anyway, you have that wherever you get this table.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. Just you have something REST controllers will be there. Now, you just download this reporting tool. Download it, and I
Okay,
explained the steps how to do the changes and all. Okay, do
all
it,
right.
and just no copy this method. Where is it? Copy this method in service, and
Yeah,
copy one more method in the here. Okay, and from the
okay,
URL just pass /export format like that. Okay, so
all right.
your the file will get generate. So I think the project files is not there in the drive, I guess. So today I will update
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Okay, today I will update it.
Okay, that would be
Okay,
great. Okay,
so yeah, so just practice yourself, and if you get any error, let me know.
okay, I'll do that.
Okay. So okay,
All
Ryan, I
right.
think yeah, 3 more classes is left. So we'll work on a few more concepts. Okay.
All right. All
Okay.
right. Thank you so much.
Yeah. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow, I think Friday. Tomorrow we have class, na?
Yeah, tomorrow is Friday.
Tomorrow
Yeah.
we have,
Thank
and
you.
Monday, Tuesday we'll work on few more concepts. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye. 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 Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.